The best SAT score. AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time and money, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Keep watching to the end because I'm sharing insights that could change the way you approach your SAT preparation. Now, before we dive in, I should mention you can actually try this software for free through the first link below. That's right, free access to see how well it works for your unique needs, but more on that later. Let's start with the biggest selling point of this software. The Best SAT Score A is designed to optimize your SAT prep using advanced algorithms to personalize your study plan. This AI doesn't just give you practice questions, it learns your strengths and weaknesses over time, adapting its recommendations to maximize your improvement. The more you use it, the more effective it becomes, tailoring content specifically to you. One of the most impressive features is how it analyzes your performance in real time. Every answer you provide is taken into account, and the AI instantly adjusts your study path. Whether you're struggling with math or reading comprehension, it will shift focus to the areas that need the most work. This isn't a one-size-fits-all program, it's a customized experience, which is a huge advantage over traditional study guides. Another major feature is its ability to predict your SAT score based on your progress. As you take practice tests and answer questions, the AI gives you a very accurate estimate of what your score might look like. This helps you gauge how well you're doing and motivates you to push harder to reach your goal. You might be wondering, how can an AI learn my needs so quickly? The secret lies in its machine learning technology. It's constantly collecting data and adapting to your patterns, making sure it never provides you with repetitive or irrelevant material. It's a dynamic system that grows smarter as you interact with it. What's even better is that it offers targeted feedback after each session. Instead of just telling you what you got wrong, it explains why the answer was incorrect and offers strategies for improvement. It's like having a personal tutor with you 24/7, giving you in-depth insights into every aspect of your performance. The Best SAT Score AI also gives you access to a huge database of practice questions and SAT prep materials. Whether you're looking for math problems, reading comprehension, or essay practice, it's all available at your fingertips. You can study at your own pace with instant access to whatever material you need to brush up on. Lastly, this AI software is intuitive and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean, straightforward, and designed with students in mind, making your study sessions less stressful and more productive. If you're serious about scoring well on the SAT, this AI could be a game changer for you. With its ability to personalize your study path, predict scores, and give real-time feedback, it's an incredibly effective tool for anyone looking to improve their score. Remember, you can try this software for free through the first link in the description below. I've tested out thousands of AI tools, and based on my experience, I highly recommend giving this one a shot. If you're looking for reliable, cutting-edge tools to help boost your SAT score, I've also included some of my other recommended AI software in the description. Check them out and see how they can help with your academic success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.